Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're going to talk about something super simple but really important.
Yeah, we're talking about weather.
Weather. Everyone talks about weather, right?
Oh my God, all the time. It's like the number one conversation topic.
Exactly. So if you're learning English, you need to know how to talk about weather.
And we're going to keep it really simple today. Don't worry.
Before we start, quick question for you, Mia. How's your morning going?
Oh, pretty good. I woke up early today and looked outside. It was so sunny.
Nice. I love sunny mornings.
Me too. It just makes me feel happy, you know?
Totally. Okay, so let's jump in.
So Ray, tell me, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Right now, it's pretty nice actually. It's sunny, not too hot, not too cold.
Oh, perfect. That's the best kind of weather.
Yeah, I agree. What about you?
Well, this morning it was sunny, but now it's getting a little cloudy.
Cloudy? Like gray clouds?
Yeah, gray clouds. I think it might rain later.
Ah, okay. Do you like rain?
Sometimes. I like rain when I'm inside my house.
Yeah, me too. Rain is nice when you're cozy inside.
Exactly, with a cup of tea or coffee.
Oh yeah. But if I have to go outside, then I don't like rain.
Right, because you get wet.
Exactly. And I always forget my umbrella.
Me too. I forget my umbrella every single time.
It's so annoying.
I know. So Ray, let's teach our viewers some basic weather words.
Good idea. Let's start simple. Everyone, repeat after us, okay?
Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny.
When the sun is out, we say it's sunny.
Like today. This morning was sunny.
Right. Okay, next word. Cloudy.
Cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy.
When there are clouds in the sky, it's cloudy.
And sometimes it's partly cloudy. That means some sun, some clouds.
Good point. Partly cloudy is very common.
Okay, next one, rainy.
Rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy.
When it rains, we say it's rainy.
We can also say it's raining.
Right, it's raining or it's rainy. Both are correct.
Exactly. What's another word?
Snowy.
Oh yeah, snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Snowy.
When it snows, it's snowy.
Snow is beautiful.
I love snow. Do you like snow, Ray?
I do, but it's also really cold.
True. Snow only happens when it's very cold.
Speaking of cold, that's another word. Cold.
Yes, cold. When the temperature is low, it's cold.
And the opposite is hot.
Hot. When the temperature is high, it's hot.
We also have warm. Warm is between cold and hot.
Right. Warm is like comfortable, not too hot, not too cold.
And we have cool. Cool is between cold and warm.
Ooh, good one. So we have 4. Cold, cool, warm, hot.
Exactly. Cold, cool, warm, hot.
Perfect. What about windy?
Windy, yes. When there's a lot of wind, it's windy.
W-I-N-D-Y. Windy.
Wind is like air moving fast.
Right. Sometimes the wind is strong, sometimes it's light.
Yeah, I don't really like when it's too windy.
Why not?
Because my hair goes everywhere.
Oh my God, me too. My hair gets so messy in the wind.
Right? It's so annoying.
Okay, what about foggy?
Foggy. F-O-G-G-Y. Foggy.
When there's fog, you can't see very well.
Yeah, everything looks white or gray.
Fog usually happens in the morning.
True. Early morning fog.
It's kind of mysterious, you know?
Yeah, like in a movie or something.
Exactly. Okay, so those are the basic words. Let me say them all again.
Good idea.
I have sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, cold, cool, warm, hot, windy, foggy.
Perfect. Everyone practice those words.
Now, let's talk about questions. How do we ask about weather?
Great question. The most common question is, what's the weather like?
What's the weather like? Say it with me. What's the weather like?
You can also say, how's the weather?
How's the weather? Both are the same.
Right. So if someone asks you, what's the weather like? You can say,
It's sunny, or it's raining, or it's cold.
exactly. Super simple.
Let me give an example. Ray, what's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. How about where you are?
It's cloudy right now. I think it's gonna rain.
See? Easy.
Yeah, anyone can do this.
Okay, now let's talk about seasons.
Oh, good idea. Seasons are important.
There are 4 seasons in most places in the USA.
Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Let's talk about each one. Spring first.
Spring. Spring is my favorite season
Really? Why?
because everything is so beautiful. The flowers start to grow.
True. The trees get leaves again.
And it's not too hot, not too cold.
Right. Spring weather is usually mild.
Mild means comfortable, not extreme.
Exactly. Spring is from March to May.
In spring, it rains a lot.
Yeah, April is usually very rainy.
There's even a saying, April showers bring May flowers.
That's a nice saying.
It means the rain in April helps flowers grow in May.
Beautiful. Okay, next season, summer.
Summer, June, July, August.
Summer is hot.
Very hot, especially in July and August.
What do you like to do in summer, Mia?
I love going to the beach.
The beach. That's perfect for summer.
Yeah, I also like swimming and eating ice cream.
Ice cream, yes. Summer is ice cream season.
What about you, Ray? What do you do in summer?
I like to go hiking early in the morning when it's not too hot.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, it's peaceful, and the weather is cooler in the morning.
True. Okay, next season, fall.
Fall, September, October, November.
Some people also call it autumn.
Right, fall and autumn are the same thing.
In fall, the leaves change color.
Yeah, they turn red, orange, yellow.
It's so pretty.
I love fall. It's my favorite season.
Really? Why?
Because the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's true. Fall weather is very comfortable.
And I love the colors. Everything looks so beautiful.
Me too. And fall has Halloween.
Oh yeah, Halloween is in October.
And Thanksgiving in November.
Right, 2 great holidays.
Okay, last season, winter.
Winter, December, January, February.
Winter is cold.
Very cold, especially in January and February.
In some places, it snows a lot in winter.
Yeah. Do you like winter, Mia?
Kind of. I like snow. It's pretty.
But...
But it's so cold. I don't like being cold.
yeah, me neither. I like to stay inside in winter with a warm blanket.
And hot chocolate.
Yes, hot chocolate is perfect for winter.
What about winter holidays?
Oh, Christmas is in December.
Right, and New Year's is January 1st.
So winter has good holidays too.
Definitely. Okay, so those are the 4 seasons.
Spring, summer, fall, winter.
Everyone, which season is your favorite? Think about it. Now let's talk about something interesting.
What's that?
Small talk about weather.
Oh, good topic.
In the USA, people talk about weather all the time,
It's true. It's like our favorite topic.
especially with strangers or coworkers.
Right. Like if you're in an elevator with someone, you might say,
Nice weather today, huh?
exactly. Or, it's really cold today.
Or, can you believe this rain?
These are all ways to start a conversation.
Weather is a safe topic. Everyone can talk about it.
True. It's not too personal.
Right, you can talk about weather with anyone.
Let me give another example. Imagine you're at a bus stop.
Okay,
Someone is standing next to you. You can say, beautiful day, isn't it?
perfect. That's friendly.
And they might say, yes, it is. Finally, some sunshine.
See? Easy conversation.
Exactly. Weather is a great conversation starter.
Okay, let's practice some more phrases.
Good idea. How about this one? It's freezing.
It's freezing. That means it's very, very cold.
Right. Not literally frozen, but really cold.
What else? It's boiling.
It's boiling. That means it's very, very hot.
Again, not literally boiling, just very hot.
These are fun expressions.
Here's another one. It's pouring.
It's pouring. That means it's raining very hard.
Like a lot of rain, heavy rain.
Right. You can also say, it's pouring rain.
Or it's raining cats and dogs.
Yes, that's a funny expression.
It means the same thing, very heavy rain.
But no actual cats or dogs.
Right, it's just an expression.
What about this one? It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day when the weather is really nice.
Sunny, warm, perfect weather.
I love saying that.
Me too. It makes you feel happy.
Okay, here's another question for you, Ray.
Shoot.
Do you check the weather forecast?
The weather forecast? Oh yeah, all the time.
Me too, every morning.
I check it on my phone.
Same. There are so many weather apps.
Right. You can see the temperature, if it's going to rain.
Yeah, it's really helpful.
Especially if you're planning to go outside.
Exactly. Like if I see it's going to rain, I bring an umbrella.
Smart. See, you learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, eventually.
The forecast also shows the whole week.
Right, so you can plan ahead.
Like if Saturday is going to be sunny, you can plan a picnic.
Ooh, I love picnics.
Me too. Picnics are great in good weather.
But if the forecast says rain, stay inside.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about extreme weather.
Extreme weather? Like storms?
Yeah, storms, hurricanes, tornadoes.
Ooh, that's more serious.
Right, so a storm is when there's heavy rain and strong wind.
Sometimes with thunder and lightning.
Thunder, that's the loud sound you hear during a storm.
Boom!
Yeah, and lightning is the bright light in the sky.
Thunder and lightning, they go together.
Some people are scared of storms.
Yeah, are you scared of storms, Mia?
A little bit. When I was a kid, I was really scared.
Really?
Yeah, the thunder was so loud. I used to hide under my bed.
Aw, that's cute.
I was so scared. What about you?
I don't mind storms. I think they're kind of cool.
Cool.
Yeah, like the power of nature, you know?
I guess so, but I still don't love them.
That's fair. Okay, what about hurricanes?
Hurricanes are really dangerous.
Yeah, a hurricane is a huge storm with very strong winds,
They happen mostly in summer and fall.
usually near the ocean, on the coast.
Right, states like Florida get a lot of hurricanes.
And when there's a hurricane, people have to evacuate.
Evacuate means leave your home and go somewhere safe.
Exactly. Hurricanes are serious.
What about tornadoes?
Tornadoes, those are scary too.
A tornado is like a spinning wind. It looks like a funnel.
Yeah, it comes down from the clouds and touches the ground.
Tornadoes happen more in the middle of the USA.
Right. States like Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas.
They call that area Tornado Alley.
Tornado Alley, because there are so many tornadoes there.
Tornadoes are very dangerous. They can destroy houses.
Yeah, if there's a tornado warning, you have to go somewhere safe.
Like a basement or an interior room.
Right. Stay away from windows.
This is all good to know.
Definitely. Safety is important.
Okay, let's talk about something lighter now.
Good idea. All that extreme weather talk was heavy.
Yeah. Okay, so what's your favorite kind of weather?
My favorite? I think sunny and cool.
Sunny and cool, like fall weather.
Exactly, like October. Sunny but not hot.
That's nice. You can wear a light jacket.
Yes, that's perfect weather for me. What about you?
I like warm and sunny, like late spring.
Late spring, like May?
Yeah, May is beautiful. Everything is green and blooming.
And it's not too hot yet.
Exactly. That's my favorite.
Nice. Okay, another question. What do you wear in different weather?
Oh, good question. Okay, so when it's cold, I wear a coat.
A coat or a jacket.
Right, and a scarf.
A scarf around your neck to stay warm.
And gloves for your hands.
And a hat for your head.
Yes, all of that in winter.
What about when it's hot?
When it's hot, I wear shorts and a t-shirt.
Same. Keep it simple.
And sunglasses
Oh yeah, sunglasses are important in summer.
to protect your eyes from the sun.
And when it's raining,
I wear a raincoat or bring an umbrella.
if you remember it,
Right, if I remember.
and rain boots.
Rain boots so your feet don't get wet.
Exactly. Weather really affects what we wear.
It does. We have to dress for the weather.
Otherwise, you'll be uncomfortable.
Right, like if you wear a coat in summer,
You'll be so hot.
or if you wear shorts in winter, you'll freeze.
Exactly. Dress for the weather, everyone.
Good advice. Okay, let's talk about one more thing.
What's that?
How weather affects our mood.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, weather can change how we feel.
Totally. Like when it's sunny, I feel happy.
Me too. Sunshine makes me feel energetic.
But when it's gray and rainy,
I feel kind of sleepy or sad.
yeah, like you just want to stay in bed.
Exactly, that's real.
Scientists say sunshine gives us vitamin D,
Vitamin D, that's good for our health.
and it makes us feel better.
So sunshine is healthy.
Right. But too much sun is bad too.
True, you can get sunburned.
So wear sunscreen.
Good tip. Okay, so weather affects our mood and our health.
Definitely. It's important to pay attention to weather.
For sure.
Okay, everyone, we talked about so much today.
We did. Let's review the main points.
First, we learned basic weather words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy.
Cold, cool, warm, hot, windy, foggy.
Right, those are the essentials.
Then we talked about seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter.
Each season has different weather.
We also learned how to ask about weather. What's the weather like?
Or, how's the weather?
And we learned that Americans love to talk about weather.
We really do.
It's great for small talk.
And we talked about the weather forecast.
Check it every day.
We also covered extreme weather, storms, hurricanes, tornadoes.
Stay safe in bad weather.
And finally, we talked about how weather affects our mood.
Sunshine makes us happy.
So get outside when it's nice.
Perfect advice.
Okay, everyone, here's your homework.
Homework.
Look outside right now. What's the weather like?
Practice saying it in English.
Write it in the comments. Tell us, what's the weather like where you are?
We want to know, is it sunny, rainy, snowy?
Tell us.
And also, what's your favorite season?
Yeah, spring, summer, fall, or winter.
Leave a comment and let us know.
We love reading your comments.
It helps us make better videos for you.
Exactly. Okay, before we go,
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
and subscribe to English in Real Life.
Hit that subscribe button.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.
We make new videos every week.
All to help you learn real, natural English.
Not textbook English, real life English.
That's what we're all about.
Okay, I think that's it for today.
Yep. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
We hope you learned something new.
And remember, practice every day.
Even just a little bit. 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
It all helps.
You can do this. We believe in you.
All right, everyone, take care,
Stay safe.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.